Hello YouTubians and fellow hobbyists. Welcome to Katrins and Styrene, your morning show. And this episode, well, we continue with this orange Super 4. This week we're gonna take care of the body. And guess what? We received a package, a very special one. But more to that later in the show. Now first, to the riddle. What is the name of the fastest class in dragster racing? A. Top 40, B. Top fuel, or C. Top power? The answer is always at the end of the show. This week in the garage we tried to get the body parts ready, so follow me down to the garage. Here in the garage we mount the panels on the frame. But now, back to the studio. Okay, the main bodywork is finished. Now it's time to get the exhaust system ready and assemble some extra parts. So, another time, down to the garage. Yeah, we start with the customized exhaust system. Now we're mounting the rest of the panels and then our trackster is actually done. Now, back to the studio. Okay, now finally I can open my package this week.
This is the package that wasn't your package, which was my package, but it's your package, but you don't know that it's your package.
Right, that was that package.
Yeah.
And the whole production team laid their money together to give their host a little gift. Well, so happened it's in there. And I know it's from Tom Daniels. But because of all the, what is it called, toll, or what is it called?
Custom.
They kept it back, and so it arrived right now. So let's see what's in there.
What's in there?
What's in there? Let's see what's in here. What we got? Oh, yes. Oh, that's cool. The bad medicine. Yeah, well, that's a cool build. Thank you, production team. Let me see. There's another one in there. Oh, wow, that's a cool one too. Let's see. What we got here? It's a super cool ice tooting machine. Well, that's really cool.
And what's special about it?
Oh, well, friends, that's what I call a shop cart. Wow, he signed it. Wow, well, that's really cool. So, yeah, that is my late Christmas gift. Thank you, production team.
You're welcome.
And now we go to the riddle. The fastest dragsters among the fastest accelerating machines on this planet reach top speeds over 330 miles per hour.
Woohoo! That's fast.
That's fast! But what is the name of the fastest class in dragster racing? Answer in the riddle. Saturday morning show comes to an end. We hope you had a few nice moments with us and you be inspired for the rest of the weekend for do something nice that you want to do. But now, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday, folks.
See you next Saturday.
This week in the garage, we wanna try to we try to get
What you trying to get?
we'll try to get. I'm
sure you'll get it.
This week in the garage, we try to get the party parts ready. So
Party parts? I heard party parts.
that's what I said. But that's not what I meant, though.
We partying with the parts.
Well, this week down in the garage, we try to get the body parts. Well, beep.
Body parts, take 4.
This week in the garage we tried to get the body parts together. So follow me down. No, get them ready, not together. What is wrong?